the O National Rainforest. Moisture gives shelter to this unearthly mound, where mosses drape every species of tree, and fiddlehead ferns blanket the ground. In a clearing, Roosevelt elk abound, and nearby the land drops like a rock to the sea, and an eagle perches, not making a sound. In a glassy stream, chartreuse mosses resound. Nursery trees nurture the young, 2, maybe 3, while fiddlehead ferns uncurl on the ground. In this place, the rain is so profound, it turns every green to a shade greener than green, while above rests an eagle, not making a sound. So fecund this mix, giant conifers astound, pushed from the earth for no other reason than to dwarf the fiddlehead ferns on the ground. The sky lifts the sea and spreads it around, crafting the setting the great mosses need, while the fiddlehead ferns cover the ground.